Hello and namaste beautiful yogis. How are you all? This is a core strengthening practice. So let's begin. Begin by lying down on the side and keep your elbow directly underneath your shoulder. Keep your knees bent. Hip and shoulder in one line. Begin by lifting your hip. We're doing 15 on each side. This works on our obliques. If you want to challenge yourself, you can extend one leg. Five more. And relax. Changing sides. And we go. We're doing 15 on each side. Almost done. Last one. And relax. We're moving into low plank. So elbows again directly underneath the shoulders. Knees are behind so that your hip and shoulders are in one line. Don't be here. Be here. Slightly lower. Hips are slightly lower than your shoulders. Keep your toes tucked in, lift your knees off, hold it. Lift the right foot off, pointing your toes. Bring the knees down. Again, lift the knees off, hold. Lift the left foot off, pointing the toes. Bring the knees down. Again, lift up, hold. Lift the right foot off, pointing your toes. Bring the knees down. Again, lift the knees off, hold. Lift the left foot off, pointing the toes. Bring the knees down. Again, lift up, hold. Lift the right foot off, pointing your toes. Bring the knees down. Again, lift the knees off, hold. Lift the left foot off, pointing the toes. Bring the knees down. Moving on, we lie down on our belly. Keep your arms extended. Keep your legs extended. So your legs can lift off if need be so. Inhaling, right arm up, left leg up. Exhaling down. Change. And down. Lie down on your back with the bridge pose. Keep your heels and knees in one line, heels closer to the hips, palms facing down. Inhale and up. Exhale down. Bring your palms underneath your back of your head. Lift your legs off the floor. So we're going to swing our legs like a pendulum towards the right. Knees going towards the right. Inhale center. Exhale left. Inhale center. And we continue. This completes our practice. I hope you enjoyed it. Do let me know in comments below how you like the practice. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you and namaste.